Welcome to another LeetCode problem. So today we are going to solve longest substring without repeating character. So if I read the problem description, so it says that you are given a string and then you have to find the longest substring and then return the length of the longest substring. So let's look at this problem. Let's try to break it down and how we can solve it with the brute force approach. So if I think in a way that if I need to find the longest substring, but it should not have any repeating character. For example, let's say this, if I start traversing this particular substring, so I see okay, first is something, this first character, and then I have never seen this character before. So I'll move to the next pointer. So I see a B as a character that I have never seen that, and then C as a character. Then as soon as I see reach A, then I know that A something I already seen in the past, so that means it's repeating now. So I stop traversing and then I will calculate the length of the string that I have traversed so far. Then again I'll start from here again and start traversing as soon as I see another repeating character. So I see the B is already repeating, so in this substring, so I'll stop it and then I'll calculate it. In this way I'll do the traversal. Let's look at how we can solve this problem. So one way is to determine whether I have seen a particular character or not. Either you can use hash map or map in case of Python, or you can use set. So set is something that we know that doesn't store any duplicate, right? Set will always store the unique value. So in given this particular problem, let's say I start traversing from this particular node. So that is, let's say, from this particular character, and let's call it a right pointer. So I'm going to solve this with the left and right pointer both approach. So in this position, let's say I'm at Ath position, so I'll create a set where I'll push the first element as A, right? And then I move the pointer and then I see B whether is in set. No, it's not in that set, so I'm going to push the B. Now I'm going to see whether C is in set or not. So this C is not in the set, and I'm going to push it in the C. So as soon as I see reach here, so now my pointer is here, so I see A is already in the set. So what I'll do is I'll start removing all the particular elements, and then I'll calculate the length of this particular string. So I'm going to need another pointer, which is left pointer. So now my right pointer has reached here and left pointer is still here. So I see the right pointer where it is pointing to A, and A is already present in the set. Now in that case I'll pop up all the elements that is there in this particular set, because the reason I'm doing this, because when I move forward, it should not happen that I'm again my calculation of the substring will go haywire. So in that case I'll keep moving on my left pointer till the time I reach here. So I'll move I first my left pointer is pointing to A, so I'll remove the A from this particular character. Now I'll shift my left pointer, so left pointer is pointing to B, then I'll remove B. Then again I shift left pointer C, and then I'll remove C. Now left pointer will point here, A is not present, so my loop will break, so everything is gone. Now again again the process will repeat. R will move forward, and as soon as I see another repeat character, again I'll shift my left pointer here, and then here, and then meanwhile I'm shifting it. Let's say my right was here and left is here. In this case I'll calculate what is the difference between right and left, plus 1, so that is going to be length. So let's look at the example. So let's look at the code, how we can I'm going to have the left and right pointers. Left will always start with the 0, and then I'll have the right pointer. So right pointer will something nothing but the length of your string. So that is going to be length of your string. Now what I need to do is let's say string of right is in scene. So I'll do some operation here. Otherwise what we'll do is I'm going to add these characters into the the set. So I'm going to need a set here, so I'm just going to create the set. So let's say I create a scene set, so that is going to store my all the unique value, right? Let's see, fix this indentation. Let me fix. Okay, so I'm gonna add this right pointer in the scene, so that's going to be dot add, and then I say this is a right, and then I'm also going to create the result, which is going to be max of result itself, and otherwise right minus left plus 1, because I'm starting from 0. So that's the one that I'm going to return, and then I'm going to finally return the result. So let's start. Let's say result is initially 0. Let me fix this indentation. Okay, all right. Uh, as soon as I see right in the scene, so this one block I have to complete, so I didn't do this. I'll have to start popping out the element from the scene. So instead of if, I am going to use while are in the scene, I'll start popping out the elements from the scenes. So scene dot remove. So for that I'm going to use left pointer now. So as soon as I remove anything, I'm going to increment my left pointer. So that will go one step ahead. Now that's it. And then as soon as I remove the right, so my left pointer will point to right here. So left is here, right here. Now again I can start traversing here. This will be added to your set, and then as soon as I see any duplicate, I'll start removing again. So that's the code here. Let's try to run it, see if this works first. Okay, cool. It works all the test cases, so we can go ahead and submit it. Hopefully it should solve. Yeah, so not too bad. That's it for today, guys. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.